Greetings, and welcome to our guide on the most effective strategies to maximize your affiliate income in the fast-evolving landscape of 2024. In the next few minutes, you will learn how to leverage crucial mechanisms such as SEO optimization, creating value-packed content, platform diversification, data analysis, and audience relationship building to step up your affiliate game. Unravel these strategies in line with your business's unique context and see your income soar. Our first strategy is centered around harnessing the power of SEO optimization to step up your affiliate game. For affiliates, an effective SEO strategy comprises identifying and integrating relevant keywords in all forms of online content. Always remember that the keywords you use will help search engines like Google to understand what your website is about and match it with relevant user queries. The outcome: your site appears in pertinent search results, attracting a higher number of organic visitors. We know, though, that such a practice demands regular and thorough keyword research, as the nature of user queries is continually shifting. You'll have to identify and use the right tools to make this process simpler, and ensure that at any one point, your keyword data is as accurate and up-to-date as possible. Furthermore, be sure to regularly monitor your website performance, and make necessary adjustments to your content and design strategies to maintain your site's visibility. Diving deeper, another essential tactic in the SEO game is strategically placing these keywords. Safari hat. The second key strategy to magnifying your affiliate income is the creation of content of value. Not just any content, but that which is informative and genuinely resonates with your audience. This type of content, when crafted diligently, instills trust in your audience, making them more likely to purchase the products or services you are promoting through your affiliate partnerships. Value-packed content goes beyond encouraging your users to make a purchase. It also helps build a robust audience base that frequently interacts with your content. This interaction could transform into loyal followers or subscribers, who will constantly look to your platform for product or service recommendations. Think about the various types of content that could appeal to your specific audience, and invest time and resources in producing high-quality, potent pieces. To add extra dimension and uniqueness to your affiliate platform, our third strategy emphasizes the crucial practice of platform diversification. Using a single platform for affiliate marketing can limit your potential customer base, unless yours is an extremely popular website that already engages a wide audience base. However, by employing the strategy of diversification, you can rapidly augment your market reach, improve conversion rates, and build a sustainable affiliate revenue stream. Design a powerful and identical presence on multiple platforms, such as social media channels, podcast platforms, or email marketing channels, and harness these unique, diverse mediums to crucially reach a wider demographic, and ultimately boost your affiliate earnings significantly. Next, we're putting the spotlight on the fourth strategy: data analysis and metrics tracking. Now, more than ever, marketers have a surplus of data at their fingertips. How you use this information can determine the fate of your affiliate business. Dive deep into the data available to you to comprehend your customers' behavior, identify high-performing content, and gauge the effectiveness of your marketing strategies. Make sure to consistently examine essential metrics like traffic sources, bounce rates, conversion rates, and customer lifetime values to not only establish a clear understanding of your customer's journey but also to create data-driven strategies that efficiently optimize your affiliate marketing campaigns, yielding more substantial revenue in the long run. The final strategy we will delve into revolves around the establishment of robust relationships with your followers. In this digitally empowered era, commendable relationships can be built that endure beyond cyberspace. Make an effort to connect with your audience not just as potential customers but as real people with real needs and expectations. Foster this bond by cultivating an open and transparent communication channel, encouraging feedback, responding promptly, and respecting their choices and opinions. Engage in relevant conversations, address their concerns, and remain proactive in providing value, and before you know it, you'll cultivate a customer community centered around your platform. These strategies are pivotal in tailoring an effective affiliate marketing strategy to maximize your earnings in 2024. Remember, it's not about simply making more money, rather, it's about how you can continue to grow and evolve in today's fast-changing digital environment. Practice these strategies with unwavering commitment and witness your income scale new heights. We start by introducing one of the most crucial mechanisms of affiliate marketing: SEO optimization. To maximize your income as an affiliate, you must harness the power of SEO, a strategy that has proved its worth time and time again. Moving on, we delve into equally crucial strategy: creating value-packed content. Value-packed content not only encourages your audience to go deeper into your sales funnel but also helps build a loyal customer base that interacts and engages with your content, which is an integral part of any successful affiliate marketing strategy. Achieving this involves a deep understanding of your target audience and their specific needs and wants. We then concentrate on a special tip to up your affiliate marketing game and increase your income: platform diversification. Diversifying your platform not only broadens your audience reach but also offers you various revenue streams from different marketing channels, ensuring a more stable and predictable income. Turning to the fourth strategy, we explore the importance of data analysis and metric tracking. Succinctly put, consolidated data from various touchpoints and user behavior provides invaluable insights into strategies or processes that need adjustments and should be maintained to increase both traffic and conversion. The video concludes by underlining the significance of building strong relationships with followers. After all, at the heart of any successful affiliate marketing venture are the customers or the followers. Building trust with them through genuine, valuable, and useful content and encouraging open communication further cements this partnership. It's the timeless principle of hearing what they say, and then delivering what they need. In the end, affiliate marketing isn't only a means to increase your income, but more importantly, an exciting platform where you can build connections and inspire actions. In summary, effectively utilizing SEO, creating content of value, diversifying your marketing platforms, analyzing your performance metrics, and building strong relations with your followers is the way forward if you want to boost your affiliate income in 2024 and beyond. If you apply these strategies with unwavering commitment, we're confident you'll not just see a hike in your income, but also a more meaningful engagement with your audience, and above all, a resounding success as an affiliate marketer. Embrace this evolving digital world with these proven strategies and become a leader in chasing your dreams. Here's wishing you the best of luck as you journey into the world of affiliate marketing, armed with your newfound knowledge. Remember, the successful implementation of these strategies is not an overnight affair. It demands dedication, meticulous planning, and regular monitoring. Nevertheless, the rewards you can reap are worth all the efforts. Good luck as you step into the world of affiliate marketing with a new perspective and a renewed energy. In the vibrant and competitive realm of affiliate marketing, rising above the crowd isn't easy. However, by staying updated and employing the most trustworthy and strategic ways, you can make your mark. As the blinders of traditional marketing strategies are being cast off, the potential for growth is limitless. The strategies we discuss may seem complex and challenging at first sight, but their application makes it possible. As you tweak and tailor them to your requirements, remember, these are a means to an end. What matters most, in the long run, is how well you understand and connect with your users, the essence of the digital world. Engage, empathize, learn, evolve. These are not just mere words, but the timeless principles that form the core of affiliate marketing success. As an affiliate marketer, your journey doesn't end today. Seize the opportunities that each strategy offers to transform your route today and in the future. The digital space is the perfect playground for those who can adapt to change. Keep learning, keep experimenting, and keep challenging the traditions of yesterday. And as you do that, remember to sprinkle a little bit of passion and integrity. Now go out there and take the affiliate marketing world by storm. Towards higher affiliate income in 2024 and beyond, towards stronger audience connections, towards improved content strategies, towards unmatched SEO efforts, towards greater analytics understanding, towards enhanced market diversification. Take steps today that influence your tomorrow. And remember, success is not a destination, it is a journey with many pit stops, many avenues of learning, many trials and triumphs. Keep your spirits high, learn from your mistakes, and above all, never lose your passion for the craft. Forge on, and let your journey define your success story. As we sign off, remember that each day offers a fresh canvas, a new beginning. Affiliate marketing isn't just about boosting income, it is a sky full of stars, each star representing a thriving strategy, a loyal audience, a sumptuous content piece. Keep looking up, and you'll find your constellation of success. Thank you for staying with us on this journey through the labyrinth of affiliate marketing strategies and tips. We wish you all the success in your affiliate journey and hope to see you soaring to unprecedented heights. Till next time, keep those innovative ideas flowing and keep seizing every opportunity that comes your way. Signing off, it's been an eye-opener cherishing with you the unwavering efforts that pave the road to success. Here's to the newfound knowledge and the application that follows, bringing the prospect of success in the world of affiliate marketing even closer.